The enterprise engineering landscape is changing, and fast. Maintaining leadership requires rapid innovation, and every enterprise faces several pressing questions. 1. How do we get the most value for our R&D investments? 2. How can we make our technology leverage the power of dynamic ecosystems? 3. How do we make fundamental changes to engineering culture as we pivot to becoming a digital organization? And most importantly, 4. How do we consistently innovate and keep pace with ever-evolving customer needs? The answer? Adopting platform-centric approaches. Today, platform business models are driving the most profound change since the Industrial Revolution, and Accenture is helping clients develop new products and platforms power their businesses into the future. As growing R&D and maintenance costs pinch development budgets, we accelerate your pace of innovation through our service offerings: core platform engineering, platform enablement, software product engineering, and device engineering. Accenture's end-to-end product and platform engineering services meet your challenges head-on, delivering faster time to market, cost reductions, increased operational efficiencies, and stronger revenue streams. Boost your speed to innovation and discover how Accenture can help you thrive in the platform economy at accenture.com/ppes.